Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean, static-free workspace. Start by powering off your HAP 15seq1018ns and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the battery. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Locate the battery release latch. Slide it to the unlock position and gently lift the battery out. Now, turn the laptop over to access the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove all screws, ensuring you keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Next, locate the LCD assembly. You will need to remove the screws that secure the LCD cover. These screws are typically found along the edges of the cover. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove them. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any hidden screws or clips that may still be attached. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the LCD cover away from the assembly. Be mindful of any cables that may be connected to the LCD. Disconnect them carefully to avoid damage. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop repaired without any hassle. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it with the assembly. Reconnect any cables that were previously disconnected, ensuring they are secure. Once everything is in place, carefully press the new cover onto the assembly until it clicks into position. Next, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the LCD cover. Make sure they are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this could strip the screws or damage the cover. After securing the cover, reattach the back panel of the laptop onto. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws on the back panel, ensuring they are all tightened securely. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop to check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. In summary, replacing the LCD cover on your HAP 15seq1018ns is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive the best service possible. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.